Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make akara. Akara is beans cake typically served in Nigerian homes, and it can be eaten with pap, custard or bread. Okay, so without no further talking, let's just go ahead and get started. And for that you'll be needing beans. Okay, just measuring the cups of beans you'll be needing for your akara. Okay, add it to a bowl, select it, remove the stones and the bad ones. This one has already been selected. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and wash it. Yeah, I'm just going to wash it and then add it to a blender like so, you guys. Okay, just like so. Add it to a blender, add in some water, and then we're going to pause this. Okay, pause blending, just stopping it at some seconds intervals. Okay, just like so, the way I'm doing it. Okay, just use a pause mode, please don't blend. Okay, so after that is done, I shift it. Okay, removing the beans peel. Okay, I'll just keep on running water on the adding in some water, removing the back peels. It will just be floating on top of the water. You just keep on removing it, okay, till all of that back beans peel goes. Yeah, so basically repeat the same process, adding in water and then shifting it. Okay, because the chaff will be floating in the water. You can see it's all done. Yeah, don't forget the chaff. Okay, removing the beans that fell inside the chaff. Yeah. And look at that, you guys, the beans is all washed. I'm going to add in some warm water to this and allow it to soak for 30 seconds, for 30 minutes, sorry. So while that is soaking, we're just going to go ahead and chop up our scotch bonnet pepper and then the onions. Okay, just finely chop all of them up. But if you don't want to bite in the pepper and the onions, you can also go ahead and blend it with the beans. Yeah, okay, you can as well blend it with the beans, but I like it this way. Okay, so after that is done, we are going to check on our beans. Look at that, you guys, it has doubled the size and softened. Okay, so we're going to blend this, add it to a blender, and then we're going to add some water. Please don't add too much water. Oh, you don't want a runny beans. Okay, just a little water to help your blender. So we're going to blend this. Okay, blend it fine. Okay, yeah, and then add it to a bowl, blend the second batch. Okay, so after that you're going to add it to a bowl, and then we are going to add air into these beans, you guys. Yeah, with a whisk, hand mixer. I'm going to whisk this for about 10 minutes. Okay, yeah, if you don't have hand mixer you can use mortar and pestle, but it will take a little more time and effort. Look at that, you guys. You see, I've been whisking it for 10 minutes. You can see that it has increased in size and as well become fluffy. Look at that, it's a lot more fluffier. Okay, it will enable your beans to float in the oil. I'm adding in some salt and then seasoning cube, just a cube. Okay, and then whisk it all together, incorporating everything. When that is done, go ahead and add in the chopped scotch bonnet pepper and the onions, and then mix it all together. Okay, to incorporate everything. Meanwhile, start heating up your oil at this point. Okay, start heating it up, then taste for salt, just a little, taste it for salt. When the oil has heat up, and we're going to start scooping in the beans. Okay, yeah, just start scooping it the size you want. At first it was a little size I did, but later on I switched to a bigger scoop. Okay, yeah, so we're going to fry this akara. When this first side is golden brown, we are going to flip it to the other side and fry it as well. And look at this, you guys, it's all done. Take it out of the oil and then repeat the process till all your beans cake is fried. Okay, yeah, you can see the way I'm just scooping it into the oil. Scoop it like so, allow it to fry till it is golden brown at this first side, and then flip it to the other side to fry. You can see this one is done, all done, golden brown. Taking it out from the oil and then transferring it to the paper towel for it to drain. Yeah, yeah, that's basically it, you guys. And when all the beans is done, you can go ahead and make your pap, custard, or whatever you want to enjoy this akara with, even oats. Okay, oat porridge or agege bread, some bread. Serve it hot. Yeah, you guys, serve it and enjoy. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you've not already. Subscribe to my channel. Okay, I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.